welcome back to my channel. This is my daughter, so I don't think it's gonna fit. I don't think it's gonna fit. Yo, Colt and Larissa are fucking funny as shit. Esto termina. First, I need to go to the doctor's. My glasses are all fucking jacked up. They're fucking crooked, okay? Because I fall asleep with them all the time. Like, I'll be watching like Netflix or something on my phone, and then I just fall asleep with my glasses on.
Hey, you look cute.
How are you?
Okay.
When I heard that Larissa was in jail for domestic violence for the second time, I was very afraid for Colt. I couldn't believe it. I can't even go on a trip because next thing I know, I'll help break loose.
That was very scary. I mean, I was in a situation that I didn't know how it'd end up. The police kicked our door down.
It could have been really bad.
I could have been shot.
You could have been killed. She got arrested. It could have been a really bad situation.
Shut up, Deb.
Not only that, if she had
Ain't nobody gonna shoot.
Tired, Mom. She's very tired.
When does she have to go to court?
Next month is her first hearing.
I think Larissa should get deported, and I hope that Colt decides he can't take it anymore.
Of course you do, Deb. Of course
What the
you
hell
do.
happened to my screen? I came home from my trip. I looked up at my bedroom window, and my screen had been totally cut.
Got damage.
How?
Larissa
Oh,
cut.
he ain't gonna
Why?
sing. Larissa cut
I
it.
see footprints on the door.
Well, that's the boot print where the officer kicked it in.
I don't know why she was in my room. I don't have any idea why she would cut my... She went through my stuff.
She went to
He was going through the drawer, but we want to talk about it.
I can't leave a house without worrying about somebody going through all my stuff.
Right now, we just need to keep it cool, okay?
Right, I know it's all about Larissa. I don't like what Larissa done to him, and I don't want her here affecting my son's life. I don't want her around Colt
Ain't
anymore.
nobody
I want
affecting your son's
I
life
want it
but
to
you.
end.
This is the only one that has the neon colors.
Scary.
This don't work out.
I didn't really think I would
Sad.
find that again.
This is not even like a neon, guys. It's like a fucking yellow. Okay, I'm getting a bit frustrated here. So I went into the James Charles Morphe palette and I'm using this green. And I don't know what it's called, so don't ask me. Ask me, but I don't know what it's called. flag. You know, I'm gonna wipe this shit off. Waste
not one you hear of every day. You have.
Okay, so the other one didn't work out, guys. We're just gonna go in with the Huda Beauty.
Look at her and tell her she's nuts.
How long do you think I can survive off my savings?
It probably can last for about 6 months in savings. She doesn't even have enough money to buy a car, let alone go to India for the rest of her life.
I'm going in with this brown color from the James Charles palette. One of my customers brought all of us at work bags from Mexico, and they're so cute. Look at this. Like, I throw my purse in here and my keys and everything. Like, my little purse is in there, and I just take it to work. Like, I'll put my lunch in here. I put all my shit in there because my life is basically at work every day. Sadly, but truly. My life is at work. So I just take all my necessities because I'm there every day, and most of my day I'm at work.
Mormons believe in the devil and all these.
Well, it didn't say on the devil, but they think there was some kind of a cult. This dinner is a little off.
This 90-day fiance sucks. I like that one better. gonna let me close out the video. So I'm gonna just close out the video, guys. Thank you for watching. It was a real simple look. Goodbye before the video cuts me off. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.